Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading platform. So as you may know if you have been a subscriber on the channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades, analyzing more than 1,000 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing the tickers of stocks that are set up for good uptrends, along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with the members. If you may be interested in this service, please make sure you check the link in the description below. So for this week, the first stock I would like to share that Mark brought up to the Platinum members is Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY. As you can see in our Horizon stock list, where Mark shares 10 stocks after going through more than 1,000 stock charts during the weekend, he shared LLY when it was at $315.02. Now, ever since then, Mark followed up on the stock each day as he usually does, sharing his chart analysis, telling the members where the next resistance level is and where the support level would be, just in case the members may want to set up stop losses. Mark also makes sure that if he finds signals that triggers a sell based on his guidelines, he sends out sell alerts to the members on our Discord and the Patreon platform. Now, as you can see on this graph, this is when the stock was shared with the members and has ran up from $315 a share to $335, gaining $20 per share in less than 2 weeks. If you would have bought 100 shares when it was mentioned on our Horizon list, you would have made $2,000 in 2 weeks. Now, on the 22nd, right before the FOMC announcement, Mark sent out a sell alert on half the position at $335.25, which was the resistant level, just in case the announcement plummeted the market, and wanted to make sure the members preserve their gains. Now, as you can see on the graph, the FOMC announcement did drag the market down, and once Eli Lilly hit its resistant level, $335.25, the stock did go down to $330.97. So Mark did send out a sell signal at a great time and preserved a high percentage of the gains. Half our position is still in the trade since it still is in an uptrend momentum based on Mark's guidelines, but if the sell signals are triggered, Mark will send out another sell alert so that the members can take the gains and get out of this trade. Now, another stock that was mentioned this week was XLU, the utility ETF. As you can see on our Discord, XLU was mentioned on the 16th when it was around $66.90 and was told that the next resistant level would be $68.16, just in case any member would want to take some profits. And as you can see on the graph, the stock did hit its resistant level at $68.16. So if you would have sold at this price, you would have made around $120 just by trading 100 shares. Now, as usual, Mark follows these stocks daily and shares his chat analysis to make sure the members are aware of what's happening with the stock, just in case they are in the trade. Now, on the 22nd, Mark sent out a sell signal at $66.20, saving us from a huge loss. So again, as you can see here on the graph, the stock was mentioned when it was $66.90 with the potential of going up to $68.16, which it did, and a sell signal was sent out at the price of $66.20 at the support level, saving the members from a huge loss as the stock went down to $64.30 that day. So again, as a trader, selling before the stock price goes down huge and not getting stuck in a trade with a huge loss is very, very important. And the only way to do that is by being capable of analyzing the chart with great details and recognizing the sell signal before the majority of traders do. And that is exactly what Mark has been doing for our Platinum members. So again, if you're interested in these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&As with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we can get through this tough market together. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom calls so that we could share great insights together. Thank you very much and see you on our next update video.